I was circling back. How long is it I can circle back? Very beautiful Anatole. And on the delivery trail again and again. As you can see by the side, Anatole. Enjoy the vibe. I don't see a lot of vibes going on down here. But right now, all I'm seeing is work. We're at the work. Check out this boss right here. So I'm going to make over the car. So I park for a while and just restore it. I was circling back. How long is it I can circle back now? About 3 months, 6 months? When did I go ready? Less than that? So 2 months. About 2 months. So we're circling in 2 months to see where I'm actually live with it. Now we are with One Dimple. No, no, that's the name. What's the right name? Other than the One Dimple. So I deliver for this. As you can see, it's a whole lot of big boxes. Whole lot. This time though, she's not the one that did the shopping. She's collecting for her friend and neighbor. And we're happy to take it to her. Make sure so she get customer get everything. And come in One Dimple. I can't see it's One Dimple she have done. Watch her, blush it up. Anyway, when you count the amount of packages, I know you don't know what's inside them. And as your friend tell you, you just have a few little packages here. It's kind of heavy. You can help you fit them inside if you want that. Can you do that?
Yeah, man.
You want them too? What going in Anatole though? Because I would have made Anatole from you. That's a good thing.
Yeah, this one I was
For now. For now.
Well, we're set for now, but hopefully.
You're not expecting anything? No, this is just the night.
No, you know, so I get up people say, if I say
Yeah.
no, because we don't know what can explode.
What's going to happen
but
later?
no,
Yeah.
it's okay.
You hear real?
No.
I don't know because I want to know if it's real because look how it's curly and pretty.
No,
It's real. Well, it look real. Anyway, we're going to take the boxes inside and this is how we do it. On the delivery trail, getting the packages here on time, all the time, every time with One Dimple. Thanks much.